Hi, members. Brad here, and yes, I'm not all dressed up today. I got the fan running on the background. Just thought I'd do a little short members only video, go over some of the thoughts. Got a bunch of new people. So, for the new people, I upload everything to a Google Drive and put a Google Drive link so you can go get everything. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or leave a comment. But if you need something that you couldn't get downloaded, I can email it to you. And I do that for the members. I don't want to do that for everybody else on the channel. And that's why I created the members, because that way you guys get a little more access to me and I'm a little more responsive. Although I'm pretty responsive to everybody, but I just want to make sure that you guys have the information that you want because you joined. And I appreciate that. I really do. Because let me buy the camera. I want to get a couple more memberships. Things are going good. YouTube is going good. I really do. I really think YouTube is going good. Today was Bitcoin just because of YieldMax sending me YieldMax. Just, and see, that's the problem. I'm sitting here talking off the top of my head and poof, and then you got to edit it out in the whole video, but I'm not editing that out. So Roundhill sent me that email, and I said, I noticed that Neos had changed. So I said, hey, it's a good time to go through each one because there's been several changes to all those funds, and I just need to point it out to everybody, all the different changes. Somebody asked, or yesterday I made a whole video about going through my covered calls. So I stayed with Neos, SPY-I, QQQI, IWMI, added some BTCI to it because that's the one I went with. Obviously, from the video today, not the fastest runner, but I like that they hold 25% in actual BTC. And just me. Not right. Obviously, there was two funds that are better than mine, so I just throw my hands up going, hey, clearly they are. I am, and this is why the video for today, just FEPI and AIPI, keeping them. They're core. They're not going away because I showed you the chart. 24% can take a 50, what was a 66% downturn. So I'll be able to back in because their rates are so high. And I'm still above my cost basis. So really, I'm taking that income, taking a little bit, and investing the other stuff in the claws and BTCI and, building out the rest of the stuff. As long as the market is staying up high, I'm not reinvesting. But I'm ready to reinvest anytime it dips below the 50-day. So I also went with T-SPY over XDTE. I think you should have a 0DTE. I think you should have a call spread. And I am sticking with GIAX, dropping SPY-T, and just taking the SPY-T funds and putting them into GIAX. They pay 4% more. They write the call spreads a week out instead of every day. I'm just going to go that way. One over the other, I don't know. Take your pick. Take your poison. Not financial advice. Just take your poison. Hey, and if a member can't download something, send me an email. I'll send it to you. I have not uploaded the last two videos, today's and yesterday's, but I'll get that uploaded today. For the new members, I add these as Google Drive. And you can go to the Google Drive and download everything. But if you have a problem, send me that. For the Dukes and however I put that, Duchesses, if I haven't had a conference call with you yet, send me an email. We can get it scheduled. Talked to a couple of you already and have a couple of the emails, but Jesus has not emailed me, and send me an email. We'll get that call scheduled. Everything else is great. I'm feeling better today. Not 100%. Even today during the video, I coughed and had to stop and drink my sweet tea. So, you know how it goes. Getting over this little cold. I don't know what it's from. So anyway, that's everything. This for just a quick little update. Got any comments, complaints, let me know. Comment below. What I want to do is T-Spy tomorrow. I got a 45-minute video I need to edit because we talked about everything. We talked about families. We're just going to edit some of that stuff out. Yeah, so want to get that done tomorrow. I'm going to combine the Round Hill Roundup on Saturday with Round Hill versus Yield Max. Let's make that one video because I always struggle to find enough content. I could make I did that one Round Hill video in 3 minutes or less. I struggle sometimes to find enough content that's worth the value of watching me for 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to put it all into one video. That way you can just watch one video because obviously people still want to watch them because they get more views than the other stuff. But I want to get back to doing some more CLOs because there's 2 or 3 CLOs I didn't cover, explaining where they are in the tranches. I want to do a little more high yield stuff. I think I'm going to break down and do a CLM video, even though I don't want to do one. And that's only because it's a great fund if you know how to play the rights offering. So I'm going to refer to somebody out on Seeking Alpha. They did the study of the last 2 rights offering, and you would have been better to sell your shares at the rights offering instead of purchasing more shares. They did the math. That's what they came up with. But hey, it might be a time to buy because they just had a big dip of 8%, something like that, over the last few days. I don't think I'm going to get into it, but I am going to do a video about it because it's something that I know Steven holds them. I've never let that out, that Steven actually holds CLM and CFM, and you might want to think about it, but the Stanford chemist on Seeking Alpha, he's done the math that the last 2 rights offerings, you would have been better off selling and then rebuying afterwards. That was his math, and he did the study, so why should I go back and redo the study when somebody's already done the math for me? That's it. Just thought I'd do a little members video. Always appreciate you guys' comments. I took out the swooshes because they were a little noisy. I might put a swoosh in every now and then just to, make sure they're still there. But any other comments, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you need anything, send me an email. And it's brdchn25@protonmail.com. So, talk to you again soon. Have a great weekend. And thank you for watching and being a member.